Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the handling of a prescription, and the following steps are to be followed during the handling of a prescription for compounding and dispensing: receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the material, compounding, labeling and packing. Receiving the prescription should be received by the pharmacist himself. While receiving, he should not change any facial expression because it may cause an impression on the patient that he is surprised or confused after seeing the prescription. Reading and checking: on receiving the prescription, the pharmacist should check the prescription whether it is written in a proper format. The prescription should always be screened behind the counter, and any doubt in case of the prescription ingredient or the drugs and direction, he should discuss with another senior pharmacist or physicians, but not with the patient. But to check to a prescription: error in the dosage form, wrong drug or dosage form, contraindicated drugs, synergistics and the antagonistics, drug interactions. Collecting and the weighing the material before compounding the prescription. All the materials required for it are collected on the left side of the balance. After weighing, each material should be shifted on the right side of the balance. While compounding, level of the stock bottle should be read at least 3 times to avoid the many error, and when taken from the shelf when the content are removed for the weighing, measuring when containers are returned back to its proper place. Compounding, labeling and packaging. Compounding should be carried out in the neat place. All the equipment required are the cleaned and dried thoroughly. Only one prescription should be compounded at a time. The compounded material should be filled in a suitable container and based on the quantity and use. And the size of the label should be proportional to the size of the container, and label should contain the required suggestions, directions to the patient. In today's class, I discuss about prescription, handling of prescription. Thank you for watching.